Hi guys, today I wanted to show an alternative solution for replacing text or numbers in a large data file using set. So in Excel, it is a very common function that we always use, which is a replace function, where we want to replace a certain text with another text. For example, here if I want to replace apples with oranges, I use the replace function to find all instances of the text apple and replace them with orange. So it is very fast when we have a small data set like this with only 9 cells. So I did an experiment to check how long it would take to replace a total of 999,000 instances of apples to oranges, and the time it took in Excel replace was a total of 3 minutes and 37 seconds. So let's see how we can use set in the bash terminal to do the replacement of text instead. So if you are using a MacBook Air laptop, you can go to your launchpad and open up the bash terminal. So after opening up our bash terminal, we need to check that the file is saved in the present working directory. So to find out where is our present working directory, all we need to do is to type pwd on the bash terminal, and that would return us the location of the working directory as stated here. So we just need to save the file from Excel as a .txt in this location, so we can proceed to use set to do the replacement of text on the file. So to use the set command, we just simply type sed followed by -i, which is an option for us to save whatever substitute that we are making to the file. And we type s, and before that just include it into a single quote, S, which stands for substitute, followed by delimiter, and the delimiters we use here are the forward slashes. You can use other types of delimiters as well. And here is the first word that you want to change. So for example, if I had want to change all the words orange into the word apple, that comes after the delimiter, and then an option G to tell the command to change all of the instances, and we close it with our double quote, and the name of the file that we had saved it as, which is fruits, and enter. Okay. And also if you're using the Mac OS platform, after -i you just need to include an empty string as a parameter for it to work properly. Try that again, and that should work. So we see that the substitution, which is executed by the sed command here, is really fast. It is almost instant, and this is the same file that we had used for comparing with the Excel replace, and we see that this is actually much faster than using the replace function in Excel.